Hey there, this is Martin here from Soletrail. So, you've seen me doing the Soto thermostat. I'll leave the review at the end of this video. So I'm here to talk about another Soto product, and that is the Soto 4Flex WindMaster cooking stove. I've been using it for a couple of months now, and it has not let me down yet. So if you want to see it, stick around and let's get into it. This is the Soto 4Flex cooking stove. Soto are a Japanese brand, and they make very, very high-end products and very good quality products. But the price absolutely reflects that. You can pick up stoves for cheap. You can pick up stoves for a tenner. You can pick up stoves for €15. This set me back €56. You can see the quality, absolutely, and it hasn't let me down yet. Is it worth it? I think it is. Okay, let's get her on and let's see what it's like. So, before we start it, you'll see here the wide burning area. It's very, very efficient for boiling water. So they say that this will burn for an hour and a half straight on full with a 250 gram gas canister. That's the 100 gram I have here, but that's how much they say. So it outputs 3,260 watts of power. There is no cooking system that's not affected by the wind. They say that the edge around here protects the wind from blowing it. You'll always get an element, so I always have a cover around this. So it's quite a unique design, where it's the first time ever I have seen attachable pot stands. So this is the 4Flex. It's spring loaded, and it actually goes around the top of your stove. So you pull these out. So that means you can change out the actual 4Flex to a TriFlex. I think the TriFlex version sets you back around, I think it's about €20. In saying that, for the price that you're spending, €56 on this, I nearly feel they should have thrown it in. In saying that, if you have the 4Flex, there's no need for the TriFlex. You could always leave them in and have that as the smaller one. I've done it before. These go red hot, but it's not an issue. So they say it'll boil 2 cups of water in 2.5 minutes. Let's put that to the test. Let's put in 2 cups, let's say 300 milliliters. Okay, let's start the timer. So, we are coming to a rolling boil at 2 minutes and 50 seconds. Just a small bit off the mark. It is quite cold here today, and I can see there's a lot of ice building up on the actual gas canister itself. So gas canisters do not work well in the cold, so that probably is affecting it. They say the most efficient part of this is how close the actual pot sits to the flame. Here's some of the pros. It's a very, very high quality. The igniter is very good. It has never let me down yet. The regulator is actually very, very good. So when you're cooking not just water, say if you're cooking breakfast or anything like that, you can regulate the heat very, very well. It's lightweight, it's very high quality. I do like the fact that it's a separate, it's quite unique that you can get something to add on to it, and you can get the TriFlex as well. I've never seen that before, so yeah, that's quite good. It's burnt the hell out of my hand as well. Oh. I think the cons, they should have given the TriFlex with it, but for me there isn't much else I can say that's bad about this stove besides what they should have given you and the price of it. But you're getting a high-end quality, so you get what you pay for, absolutely, when you buy a Soto brand. Shop around and see what deals you can get, but if you want a high quality, very efficient semi-windproof stove, well then you can't be going wrong with the Soto WindMaster 4-flex mountaineering stove. Expensive, but worth it. So this is Martin here from Soletrail. Please hit the subscribe button and ring the bell for notifications. I hope you enjoyed the review, and if you have any comments, put them below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I'll put all the details of this stove in the description. So until next time, happy shopping, and stay safe out there, and stay safe out in the mountain.